You're watching PNN, the Parody News Network.
Hey.
Hey.
So I was thinking, you've been PNN news anchor for a while now.
Yes, I have.
Well, what do you think about maybe bringing in some new blood?
New blood?
Yeah, you know, maybe someone younger and cuter with more energy, more hair.
If I'm so decrepit, why not just wait till I'm dead?
Well, that should be any minute now. So, thanks.
Hey. So I'm looking at the script for Series 4.
Okay.
And if you look at this section right here, and you do the word count, turns out Earl has 68 words, and I only have 66.
So you want 2 more words?
That'd be great. Yeah.
Okay.
Great, thanks.
I got 2 words for you, all right. Hey.
So I was thinking,
Uh-huh.
I think we should do more love scenes.
More love scenes.
Yeah, you know, like hugging and kissing and passion and everything.
Uh-huh. Well, let me dwell on it and I'll get back to you.
Okay. Okay.
Hey,
Hey,
what's this word?
April.
Okay, great. That's what I thought.
Hey,
Hey. What's up?
oh, nothing. I just don't have anything to do.
Would you like me to write you some scenes for Series 4?
That'd be great. Thanks. No love scenes though, okay? Great. Thanks.
Hey,
Hey,
I'll tell you what I thought I had. What if we only do foreign films?
foreign films.
Yeah, those bleak black and white films of loss, pain, death, and clowns.
I don't think that's going to have mainstream appeal.
Well, you never know unless you give it a shot. I'll leave it to you.
Hey,
Hey,
what's this word?
fools.
Okay, great. That's what I thought. Hey.
Hey, who are you?
Oh, hi, I'm Liz. I'm new here.
Have you actually filmed any PNN segments so far?
Well, no.
Then fuck off.
Hey,
Hey,
what would you say to adding some fight scenes
to what?
to PNN? You know, to add some movement, some action, some violence. We could have black eyes and broken arms and blood and things like that.
I don't think so.
Fine. Just remember, I'm the one who did the human centipede episode for you.
Hey,
Hey,
what's this word?
day.
Okay, great. That's what I thought.
Hey,
Hey,
I don't get this.
get what?
This whole PNN thing. It's like we do news reports on famous movies.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, I just think we'd be better off doing something funny.
Is funny.
Is it though?
Don't you have someplace you need to be?
No, but I can see that you're in some kind of a mood, so if you need me, I'll be in catering.
Hey,
Hey,
you know what? We should do a group thing.
a group thing?
Yeah, you know we film all of our segments individually. Wouldn't it be nice to do something all together?
Okay. Any idea what that might be?
How about this?
And
Live from Port 9 Studios, it's the Parody News Network!
You've been watching PNN, the Parody News Network.
Hey,
Hey.
so I'm looking at the script for season 4,
Okay.
and if you look at the section right here and you do the word count, turns out Earl has 68 words, and I only have 66.
So, you want 2 more words?
3 more.
Nice. Now get out of here.
Roger, Roger.
Hey,
Hey.
so you know how we do the poll at the very beginning before we start a season? We pick the different dates as to like when we vote on it, majority rules.
Yeah,
Can we start doing that with the movies? I mean, who's picking these things?
I am.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, they're
You. I need a little more credit. I'm just saying.
You want a little more credit?
I do.
Fuck off!
You're so mean.
Hey, can I get a selfie with you anyway?
I guess.
I guess I gotta fuck off.
I guess.
It's a little uncomfortable to talk about, but you may have noticed there are some cast members that are better looking than others. So I was thinking for some of us that, have that look, symmetry, the hair, get a little bit more screen time, I think it's gonna pay off. And I can help you. I can help you to have those discussions. Those are gonna be difficult discussions, but what do you think?
Are you on the beautiful people list?
Well, I mean, that goes without saying,
Okay.
I would say.
Are you the beautiful people list?
I can help you to compose that list.
Okay.
It's gonna be tough.
What percentage of the cast do you think will retain?
Oh, I think they'll understand. It's for the betterment of the program.
Okay.